Smith sold bottled elixir, a popular medicinal agent. Does elixir mean medical examinations, medicine, medical equipment, or medical advice? On a surface level, this seems like a difficult question, as all of our choices have something to do with medicine. Taking a closer look at the sentence, we can see that after elixir, there is a comma and a synonym provided, a popular medicinal agent. This still doesn't narrow down enough what our answer is, as again, all of our choices have to do with medicine. Instead, let's take a look at a different part of the sentence, the context that the word elixir is being used in. Smith is selling this elixir in a bottle. Therefore, we can cross off medical examinations, medical equipment, and medical advice, as none of these can be sold in bottles. We are left with medicine, which fits in perfectly with our sentence and is the answer to our question.